Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to do a demonstration of how to make a wet mount slide with a sample of onion cells. We're actually going to use cells from a very thin layer of like sort of skin on the inside of a chunk of onion bulb, like the actual bulb of the onion. I am sitting at home right now just because it probably looks funny. I am at home, but I do have some science things with me. I thought it'd be nicer to record here with what I have here to record with. So without further ado, we're going to get started. This is for the onion cell sample to look at under the microscope. So let's take a look here. What we have here is, first of all, I've got a cup with water in it. You're probably not going to have a Dixie cup, but you'll have a sample of water for this and a pipette. I've got my slide, which I'm going to move out of the way for now. I've got my cover slip to go with it. And then I've got my piece of onion, of course, forceps, like tweezers. And then this is a razor blade. It's all wrapped up still. I'm going to keep it wrapped up. I'm going to try not to use it. I don't like to use it if we don't have to because they're sharp and potentially dangerous. So here we are. We've got our piece of onion here. And our first job is to get the very thin layer, off of the inside of the onion. So when I say inside, I'm talking about the concave side. So looking at this onion, we've got two sides. There we go, that way it's easier to tell. You got this side that kind of curls in, and then this side, which is the opposite, it curls out, it bends out. That's the outside of the onion. This is the inside, the concave side. On the concave side, we are going to take our forceps first, maybe even fingernails will work for this. Again, we could use the razor blade, but I'd rather not do that unless we really have to. But we're just going to try to like pick at the edge of this like a sticker, and hopefully, and this went pretty well actually, we're trying to get a very thin layer. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I tore it. A very thin layer of it almost looks like dead skin off of the inside of our onion. So right there is a layer of skin off the inner surface of the onion. Now I've got my slide here. I'm going to start by putting a drop of water on my slide. I think it might help make the onion stick. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to try to get that to lay right on top of that water, kind of flat if possible. There we go, that's pretty good. And then I'm also going to take another small drop of water and put on the top side. So now I've got water here, I've got my onion in there, and I think you guys can see that right there. Onion is in the water there. And now I'm going to take my cover slip, I'm going to bump it up against the water, and I'm going to slowly let that fall. There we go. And when I'm all done, I get this thing with my onion and a wet mount slide made with my onion sample in there. And that's ready to go. Take a look at under the microscope.